Hi folks, Paul here. It's time to install the rear seat heaters into my 2011 Nissan Leaf. So this time I have bought a slightly cheaper kit, and this one has the generic round switches, which are functionally equivalent to the nice Nissan ones that I had in the previous kit, but are an awful lot cheaper. And that makes sense because the rear switches don't have a slot in which to sit nicely in, so I'll show you where those are going to go. And otherwise it's exactly the same, pretty much the same kit, slightly different connectors, the same kind of heating element that you can trim down if you have to. It doesn't have instructions, but it has all the bits you need, so including new clips for connecting the seat back up. And I've also got a 12-volt socket that I'm going to put in for the rear seats at the same time. Alright, let's get onto it. Step one is to remove this backing panel. And T20 Torx. Right. Okay, good. There's a little space down there. There's an awful lot of space down here. Okay, now thinking about where to put these switches, there seem to be two possible approaches. One is to ask where would the user want them to be, which is right there, one there and one there. And then the 12-volt ideally would be either there or down there. So you can try to achieve that, or the other approach is to look in the back and ask yourself where is it easiest to put these. And having this down there would be dead easy because there's lots of space down there. So I think that's what I'm going to do for for the 12 volt. The real dilemma is exactly where to position these, because although I would instinctively want them to be there, I can't have them there because of these mounting plates. So I can't have them exactly where I want them. Can't have them there. The next option is a bit further down, but these get in the way. Those get in the way. And if I come too far across here, I'd have to cut into this. Another option is to cut away this little bit of plastic here and have them sitting in there, and then I think that would work. I've also seen people mount them a bit higher and then cut into this plastic here to make room, and I'm not super keen on doing that because that's fairly structural for the hinge. Doesn't get a lot of force on that, but I don't want to mess with that too much. So if I chop away that bit there and mount these as high as I can in there, then it's reasonably clear back here, and that should work. So I'm going to do that. So that looks quite nice, and when it's in, it will be out of the way, and good. Alright, now for the seat switches. $50mm. $68. Okay, let's see how that would work in practice. One there, one there. How would that look? It's a little bit weird them being so low. You really do want them to be there in the middle there. It just feels odd having them lower. Oh. It does feel odd having them that low. Alright, let's reassess. So the other option is in that space there. They'll be closer together. Let's see how it looks. So this is my dilemma. The two easy points to put them are there or there. There or there. Up here, they're high enough, but they're too close together. It doesn't feel right. They should be there. That's where they want to be. Where I want them to be, in terms of their design and the function. Because this is this side and this is this side. and this is too low, it's close to this curve. It should be smack bang in the middle, so that's the right level and that's the right width. But then it interferes with this. I don't think they can fit in there because it's just too hard. I can try and go as far out as possible, but then I get close to these metal bits. I don't want to short circuit anything. So that leaves me to go back lower again. I could try cutting some of that out to get myself an extra few millimetres higher. I don't think that would matter. I think that's what I'm going to do. Cut into this. So all this and the hinged top is just mounted on this plastic bracket, so I can't afford to cut too much away. Let's see what happens. Helps a little bit. Okay. Alright then, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Well, after all that faffing about, I've got myself to there, which I think is as good as I'm going to get. So, I'm going to go for it. $59. Okay. These are 20mm diameter. That looks alright. That looks okay. And it's super tight, and there's a notch here that I need to deal with. Probably ever so slightly too tight, so I'll ream this out of it. Oh, look at that. It goes on fine. Fantastic. Alright. Sweet. Alright, now, if that's working, this one feels a bit stiff. I think the hole is slightly... That one feels good. I think I need to ream this out of it. Okay. Oh yes. That's much better. good, okay.